This is the Hamilton Khaki Pilot Pioneer 43mm mechanical, a bold bronze timepiece that combines aviation heritage with the soul of a vintage pocket watch. With a 43mm diameter and 13mm height, this bronze case makes a statement on the wrist. At 3 o'clock, you'll find an oversized onion crown, perfect for gloved hands and a hallmark of classic pilot's watch design. Water resistance is rated at 100 meters. The dial is off-white with a grained texture, surrounded by a railroad minute track and beige superluminova squares every 5 minutes. Gold cathedral-style hands, also filled with lume, enhance legibility. At 6 o'clock, a small second subdial adds vintage charm. The bi-directional rotating bezel features a black mineral glass insert with a simple 60-minute scale, a rugged yet refined touch. Everything is protected by a sapphire crystal with dual anti-reflective coatings. Powering the watch is the legendary hand wound ETA Unitas 649 8-1 movement, traditionally found in pocket watches. With 17 joules, it beats at a retro 18,000 vibrations per hour and delivers a 46-hour power reserve. Through the exhibition caseback, you can admire its large architecture and clean finishing. The Pilot Pioneer 43mm mechanical comes on a supple 20mm brown leather strap, completing its vintage, military-inspired look. At 1,455 Swiss francs, or 1,645 euros, this bronze edition offers incredible value. A hand-wound movement with true heritage, classic pilot styling, and a touch of vintage pocket watch history. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more luxury watch reviews and hands-on showcases.